A mouse, looking through a hole in the wall, sees the farmer and his wife open a package. He was terrified to see that it was a mousetrap. He ran to the patio to warn everyone. "There is a mousetrap at home," the chicken that was cackling and digging says. "Excuse me, Mr. Mouse. I understand that it is a big problem for you, but it does not hurt me at all." So, the rodent went to the lamb, and he says the same thing. "Excuse me, Mr. Mouse, but I don't think I can do more than ask for you in my prayers." The mouse went to the cow, and she said, "But am I in danger?" "I think not," said the cow. The mouse returned to the house, worried and dejected to face the farmer's mousetrap. That night, a great noise was heard like that of the mousetrap catching its victim. The women went to see what she had caught. In the dark, she didn't see that the mousetrap caught the tail of a poisonous snake. The speedy snake bit the women. The farmer immediately took her to the hospital. She came back with a high fever. The farmer, to comfort her, prepared a nutritious soup, grabbed the knife, and went to find the main ingredient: the chicken. Since the women did not get better, friends and neighbors went to visit them. The farmer killed the lamb to feed them. The women did not get better and died. And in the end, the husband sold the cow to the slaughterhouse to cover the funeral expenses. The next time someone tells you their problem, and you think that it doesn't affect you because it's not yours, and you did not pay attention to it, think twice. He who doesn't live to serve doesn't serve to live. The world is not going badly because of the wickedness of the bad, but because of the apathy of the good. So when someone needs you for their problems, give them your hand or give them a word of encouragement. May you never lack empathy. Remember it very well. Empathy